Hello students, welcome back to a new video of class 11 computer science with Python and we were studying about number system और नंबर सिस्टम में हम लोगों ने अभी तक जो है दो कन्वर्शन किया हुआ है तो डेसिमल टू बाइनरी वी हैव स्टडीड और पॉइंट वाले नंबर जो कि डेसिमल में ही है उसको भी बाइनरी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं दैट टू वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. नाउ टुडे विल बी डूइंग डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल कन्वर्शन. ओके, नाउ I guess you remember decimal is having base 2 and octal is having base 8. ठीक है, so 0 से लेके 7 तक के digits octal में होते हैं और decimal में 0 से लेके 9 तक के digits होते हैं. Now if you remember that chart which I have drawn in my first video, like decimal से binary या octal या hexadecimal, डेसिमल से किसी में भी कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो जिसमें कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा है उसका बेस से डिवाइड कर दो. तो डेसिमल से बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे अगर लोग कर रहे हैं तो बाइनरी का बेस है 2, तो इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर देना है. डेसिमल से ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं अगर हम लोग तो ऑक्टल का बेस है 8, इसको 8 से डिवाइड कर देना है. एंड इफ यू आर डिवाइड लाइक कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल, सो हेक्साडेसिमल बेस इज 16, तो इसको 16 से डिवाइड कर दो. ओके, and the reverse part, binary to decimal if you are converting, you have to multiply it by 2. Octal to decimal you are converting, you have to multiply it by 8. And hexadecimal to decimal you are converting, you have to multiply it by 16. Okay, so here what we have to study is decimal to octal conversion. So decimal to octal, what should we do? Yes, I guess you are right. So decimal to octal conversion, we have to divide it by 8. Now let's do it. We are having 266 in decimal. Now how do I get to know that this number is in decimal? Just by looking at the base. Okay. So let's write 266. इसको डिवाइड करना है किससे? तो जिसमें भी कन्वर्ट कर रहा है ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है तो ऑक्टल का बेस 8 होता है. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 8. ओके. Okay, now 8 3s are 24. We are having 26. So remainder is 2. So that 2 if we write here, so that will be 26. So 8 3s are 24. Again we are having 26. So the remainder is 2. Write the remainder here. Okay. Now let's do it again. 8 4s are 32. But we are having 33. So the remainder is what? 1. So let's write it again. ठीक है. Now कब तक इसको करना है? तो जब तक ये वाला जो नंबर है वो 8 से छोटा ना हो जाए तब तक हमें ये डिवाइड करना है. तो 4 is like smaller than 8. So that means we are done with our process. Now the last part is we just have to write it in reverse order. Okay, so the answer will be 4 1 2 and write the base. Don't forget to write the base. So we have converted into octal. So octal's base is 8. Okay, so this is our answer. Now what is the least significant bit in this part? Like in 412, this is our answer. So what is the least significant bit? So the least significant bit is this 2. Now what is least significant bit? जिसका पोजिशनल वैल्यू सबसे कम. So 2 ones के पोजीशन पे है. So 1 का वैल्यू सबसे कम है in comparison to tens and hundreds. So 2 is the least significant bit, or we also call it as least significant digit. We have already studied these in our first video. Okay. Now this 4 is the most significant bit, or we also call it as most significant digit. जिसका पोजिशनल वैल्यू सबसे ज्यादा होता है वो होता है मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. तो 4 का पोजिशनल वैल्यू 4 is in the hundreds place. So that means it is not 4, it's actually 4 into 100, which is 400. So that's why 4 is called the most significant bit. Okay. Okay, so 266 if we convert, we are getting 412. Now let's do another question. Okay. So the next part is 172. It's in decimal. We have to convert it into octal. So no issues. Just write the number 172 and start dividing it by what? Decimal से octal में conversion, तो octal का जो भी base है उससे divide. So the base of octal is 8, so we have to divide it by 8. So 8 2s are 16, but we are having 17, so 1 will be here. Okay, so 12. And 8 1s are 8, but we are having 12, so the remainder is 4. Okay, now let's do it again. 8 2s are 16 and we are having 21, so that means the remainder is what? 5. और ये कब तक करना है? जब तक ये जो लास्ट वाला नंबर है वो हमारे 8 से छोटा ना हो जाए. तो 8 से छोटा हो जाए तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू डिवाइड इट. ठीक है, So we are done with our process. Now we just have to write the answer. So writing the answer should be in reverse order. So our answer is 254, and it has been converted into octal. So do not forget to write the base of the octal. Okay. Okay. So I guess this process was clear to you. And in the next video, we'll be understanding about some other conversion, maybe decimal to hexadecimal or maybe binary to decimal. Okay. So let's stop this video here only.